If my grandma could shop on TEMU, so can I. I'll have my code here for you guys to shop, plus all the links to everything I'm sharing in the description box. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria, and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a TEMU haul. This is my first time shopping with TEMU. The shipping was super fast. I do have a code for you guys to use to get some coins off your order, and I'll have everything that I am featuring in this video in the description box for your convenience. So I got a few different type of things. I got some storage as far as bags, and then I got some stationery, because who would I be if I didn't get stationery? So we're gonna go ahead and do the organization first. So I got these little tiny containers, and I think this is going to be perfect for my jewelry. There's a lot inside of here. There's 30 of them, and I will put a screenshot of each item as well. Just need things to be like, as far as like my studs and everything and my rings. I think this is going to be a better option, especially as I'm going to be moving into my new place. Then I have 4 different bags that I'm going to be using to organize all of my stationery. This is the one that I'm most excited about. It has 3 different compartments. So we have this first one here, which will be cute for like stickers. And then the second one here, which has another little pocket. And then the third pouch, which is just open space. So when I do my planner journaling organization video, I'll be sure to lay out all of the containers that I have, and then it's going to be organized by categories. Like, all of the tools will be in one, but I'm also thinking of doing like a frequently used bag as well. I'm not sure which one will be for that, so that's what I have in mind nonetheless. So that's that. And I'm also thinking of like decking this out and putting different embellishments on it. I think that'll be really, really cute. And there's this one, which I got in green. Could I got everything? I could have gotten everything that was matching, but I didn't. This one is a little bit different. You just gotta unzip it like that. And then it folds open like an accordion. This is gonna be good for like markers and pens and all of that. So I have colored pencils, my mild liners, my pens, my whiteout can also go in here. So this is going to be the bag that I use for all of that. Then this one, I have a bag just like it. I don't know where it is though, but this is more like a pencil pouch type of situation. And I'm thinking of putting my lippies inside of here. I have them in another bag right now, but I'm going to see if I can put them all in here instead of the bag that I have. We'll see, but that's the purpose of that. And if not, then this will be going in my car. Speaking of my car, I think this one might be good in my car as well, because I was using a different container, but it just didn't fit in that center console well enough. So I just want to have a go bag in my car, and I'll be sure to share that with you guys as well, of just stuff that I already have, like a bag that I keep in my purse, but I want to have that same kind of stuff in my car. So like extra toilet paper and toilet seats and Lysol. I think all that kind of stuff will fit inside of here. And then like the travel size deodorant and all the other stuff, like the little wipes and stuff, can all go in here. This would just be one of 2 bags. Again, if my lippies don't fit in here, then I'll be using both of these in my car. But this one for sure I think will be good to put in my center console. I just need to measure it out because I don't want it to be like stuffed. I want it to just be like a nice flush fit. I'm moving on to the stationery. I got this list pad. I don't like that they came bent, but I'm going to be ripping these up and putting them inside of my everything notebook. And I'll link related videos so you guys can see all the stuff that I'm talking about. I also got this list pad. Thought it was cute. And then this one, which is huge, but I thought this would be nice for like the weekend when I have more stuff going on. I can just take a page out of this, put it inside of my journal, and that's that. So good quality on that. These two are like your standard if you were to get them from like the dollar store. Got these, which are like all different types of like vintage covers, and these are going to be good for layering, which I want to do more of. And I want to do more spreads of like laying my week out and having just like a nice background, and then taking these kinds of lists, even this one, and then gluing that on top and writing my to-dos. I just want to add more decorative elements to my pages because that's the vibe that I'm on right now. That's the vibe. Then I got these stickers for just like fun little motivation, like this cookie one, you're one smart cookie, donut give up. I just think these are really cute to put all over in different spots. It's just like a little pick-me-up. I got these Taylor Swift ones. They're lover inspired. But in my personal journal, I like to put different types of songs that resonate with me. As far as what I'm going through now, what I went through, there are many Taylor Swift songs that resonate with me, and I thought these stickers would be cute to put on those pages. So, all right, I'm also on a butterfly kick, and I got these butterfly stickers, and it's so crazy because my grandma recently sent me a card, and it had so many little butterfly elements. It was so cute. So this, but yeah, these are going to be cute to definitely add to my journal, and I have lots of butterfly stickers now. 2 more items. They have smaller versions of these books, but this is like scrapbook paper. It's called the Book of Plants, 100 sheets of watercolor flower material paper. This is going to be so cute to do the different layering, and then to add these on top of it. And then I have some other stuff that it's just going to be nice. Excited for that. And then last but not least, this is for when I move into my place. I'm going to actually change every single one of these. And then it's just going to be for me to check off if I did it for the day. It's going to be my habit tracker. So I'm going to modify this, change all of this. I really just got it for this part over here because I think it's so cool. If you guys have ordered from TEMU before, let me know your favorites in the comments. Again, be sure to use my code to get some coins off your purchase. I'll have everything linked in the description box. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I appreciate you guys so much for being along this journey with me and sharing in all this excitement. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.